Maintaining optimal kidney health is crucial for overall well-being, as these bean-shaped organs play a pivotal role in filtering waste and excess fluids from the blood. A balanced diet rich in kidney-cleansing foods can support these vital organs and contribute to their efficient functioning. In this video, we will explore 7 powerful superfoods renowned for their kidney-cleansing properties. Incorporating these foods into your diet can not only help detoxify your kidneys, but also contribute to better overall health. 1. Garlic. Garlic is a natural antibiotic with potent antibacterial and antiviral properties. By incorporating garlic into your diet, you may help prevent infections that could potentially harm the kidneys. A healthy immune system, supported by garlic's antimicrobial compounds, is crucial for warding off kidney-related infections. Garlic has been found to have a positive impact on cholesterol levels by lowering bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides. This cholesterol-lowering effect may contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system, indirectly benefiting kidney function. Garlic may play a preventive role in the formation of kidney stones. Its diuretic properties can help flush out toxins and prevent the crystallization of minerals that lead to the formation of stones. 2. Watermelon. Watermelon, with its vibrant hue and refreshing taste, is not just a summer delight, but also a powerhouse of nutrients that can contribute significantly to kidney health. Watermelon, composed of over 90% water, helps keep the body hydrated. Proper hydration ensures that the kidneys can effectively flush out toxins, preventing the formation of kidney stones and promoting overall kidney health. Watermelon is a rich source of antioxidants, including vitamins A and C. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Oxidative stress can negatively impact kidney function, and by consuming antioxidant-rich foods like watermelon, you can support your kidneys in maintaining their health and efficiency. 3. Cabbage. Cabbage is a rich source of antioxidants, including vitamin C and manganese. The sulfur compounds found in cabbage, particularly glucosinolates, are known for their detoxifying properties. These compounds support the body's natural detoxification processes, helping to eliminate toxins and waste products from the kidneys. Cabbage has a high water content, contributing to hydration, which is crucial for kidney function. Additionally, the fiber in cabbage promotes digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar levels, indirectly benefiting kidney health. 4. Blueberries. Blueberries are a rich source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese. These nutrients are vital for overall health and can support the kidneys in their cleansing function. Vitamin C, in particular, is known for its ability to boost the immune system and protect against infections, which is crucial for individuals with compromised kidney function. Blueberries contain anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the kidneys. The anti-inflammatory properties of blueberries contribute to a healthier renal environment, promoting kidney function and assisting in the elimination of toxins. 5. Onion. Sulfur compounds found in onions, particularly allyl sulfides, play a role in the detoxification process. These compounds support the liver, the body's primary detoxification organ, by enhancing its ability to break down and eliminate toxins. A healthy liver function is closely tied to overall kidney health, as the liver and kidneys work together to filter and eliminate waste from the body. Onions also possess diuretic properties, meaning they can increase urine production. This diuretic effect can be beneficial for kidney health as it helps flush out excess salts, toxins, and waste products from the body. Improved urine flow can contribute to the prevention of kidney stones and reduce the risk of urinary tract infections. 6. Cucumber. Proper hydration is crucial for kidney health, as it supports the kidneys in flushing out toxins and waste products. Cucumbers, consisting of about 95% water, contribute significantly to overall hydration. Staying well hydrated is essential for maintaining healthy kidney function and preventing the formation of kidney stones. Cucumbers provide vitamins such as vitamin K, vitamin C, and various B vitamins. These vitamins play crucial roles in maintaining overall health and supporting the immune system. Cucumbers, containing anti-inflammatory compounds like flavonoids and tannins, may help reduce inflammation in the body. This can be beneficial for individuals looking to support kidney health and reduce the risk of kidney-related complications. Blend cucumbers into smoothies with other fruits and vegetables for a kidney-friendly detox drink. 7. Olive oil. Olive oil, a staple in Mediterranean cuisine, is rich in monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. The anti-inflammatory compounds present in olive oil, particularly oleocanthal, may help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, potentially contributing to kidney health. The antioxidants in olive oil, such as polyphenols and vitamin E, help combat oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is implicated in various kidney disorders, and the antioxidant-rich nature of olive oil may play a protective role. Choose extra virgin olive oil for its higher content of antioxidants and polyphenols. Use it as a primary cooking oil or drizzle it over salads and vegetables.